Hello, beautiful souls. I hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. Also, Reiki healing can be used to cleanse your objects and houses. Let's say if you want to buy a particular house, we do not know what is the history of the house. If it is a, an old house, or even if it is a new house, we do not know the history of the land on which it is built, or the energies of the people, the construction workers who have constructed that house, or the people, the other customers who have walked into that house to just have a view, or wanting to purchase. Everyone has their own energy, right? So every house, every land, every office, every building basically has its own energy. So Reiki clears those energies as well, and brings overall happiness and growth to the inhabitants. Because many a times problem is not within us. Just hold on. Many a times problem is not within us, but problem is with our surrounding. Problem is with the house we are living in. Problem is with the office we are working in, right? Or problem is with the flat we are living in, right? Everything, we just do not understand why we are not growing in a particular house, or why we are not basically excelling in a particular house, or able to stay happy or flourish, or our life just goes downhill in every aspect. Many people, you might have heard many people saying, right, that my life has really turned upside down since I have come in this house, or my life has really went extremely well since I have come in this house. Same is with office and other buildings as well. So it is because of the energy of the house, it is because of the energy of the land. So you can get your Reiki healing done to cleanse your house, to cleanse your office, to cleanse your apartment, building, your flat, or even your plot, your land, if you're planning to purchase, or if you have already purchased it and you're planning to construct your house in that, right? Also, you can get your house cleansed if you want to have achieve a specific result. Let's say that you are having a lot of relationship problems with your spouse, or with your children, with your family members in a particular house. So you can get your house healing done and get it charged for the purpose that you have a very healthy relationship with your family. So this is how I do house cleansing. I not only remove negativities from the house or the area, basically whatever you want to get cleansed. I remove negativities, I charge it with positive energies, and with the energies for your specific purpose, if any. Let's say if you want to have promotion at office, or if you want to have healthy relationship with family members in house, so I charge it with the desired energies, those specific energies. Plus I seal the energies so that house or your office or your land is protected for a long period of time, and it doesn't, even if a person comes there, or even if people come and go, because as I said, everyone has their own energies, so that doesn't affect the energy of the house. So I seal it, seal the positivity of the house, and yeah, it stays for long. How frequent you can get your house cleansing done? I would say once in 6 months is perfectly fine. Okay, unless negativity is so much that you have to go for frequent healings. Again, it depends on intensity, the same rule as we were talking about with healing of people, right? Similar thing with objects, cleansing of objects. Similar to houses, if every object has its aura, has its energy, and has certain memory, like how it was built, how it has passed from the manufacturer to the seller to the distributors, and to the delivery people. So we cleanse your objects also. You can get your cash locker Reiki charged, you can get your wallet, you can get any items, your jewelry, your books, with specific purposes. Like you can get your book cleansed and charged, so that it increases your concentration and it gives you good results in your exams. Similarly, you can get your wallet charged or cash locker charged, so that it is always filled with money, right? So there are certain intentions which we can do, and the method is same. I cleanse that object from the negative energy. uh, I remove the negative energy from the object, I cleanse it, I charge it with the positive energies and with the required energies, if any, if you have any specific intention, and I seal the energy, similar to cleansing of house and space, right? And also Reiki healing can be done on animals also. And yes, before that, how often you should go for object cleansing? Similar to house cleansing, depending on the intensity, you can get your objects cleansed, because objects also carry energy. There are certain objects which are really auspicious to us, like our lucky charms. There are certain objects which we consider as inauspicious. Any object is not auspicious or inauspicious. In fact, the energy it carries, because of it coming in contact with certain kind of living beings or non-living beings. it picks up on the energies. You can get your crystals cleansed and charged. Many people believe into crystals, right? Crystals have to be cleansed from time to time, because they are most receptive to negative energies, most receptive to negative energies, because their work, they are created for that purpose, right? Absorb the negativities or remove the negativities or serve a specific purpose. So they have to be cleansed once every 3 months or once every 6 months, without any doubt. And other objects can be cleansed once in 6 months, that is fine, unless the intensity is extremely high, or someone has casted black magic, or certain things, certain negative casted evil eye on that object or on the house. Same rule applies with the house also. Okay, now we can do Reiki healing for animals as well. Any living being, basically we can do Reiki healing for any living and non-living beings also. We can send Reiki to the entire planet, to the entire ecosystem, to plants, to birds, to insects, to animals, because we all are part of the ecosystem. Remember that pyramid? Those who have studied that pyramid of the triangle of ecosystem, you know that, right? So we all are part of the ecosystem, and we knowingly or unknowingly affect each other. It's not only we getting affected and affecting people who we are close to, but we are getting affected by nature, we are getting affected by animals, and we affect them also. So when entire surrounding is cleansed, is charged, is positive, just imagine its effect on us, how we feel. We get healing from them also, we get healing from those places also, right? Similarly, if there is any, you can heal your city, you can heal your country, you can heal your entire mother earth. Let's say if there is any situation of war, or if there is certain communal emergencies going on, definitely you can send healing to such situations and to the people who need that, or you can get healing done for those people, for those living beings, basically. And for Reiki healing for animals or other living beings, same rules of Reiki healing for humans is applied. Everything is same. Okay, so this covers our Reiki healing series, video 1, part 1. We'll meet next time. Take care, stay blessed, bye bye.